Hello everyone, I'm Lokesh here. Welcome back to CAD Nest. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use the design software Catia V5. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CAD Nest YouTube channel.
Under Catia, we go for a part design. So in this video, we are going to see about shaft and then groove feature, how to use this. For that, let me go for sketch. So here I will be taking a simple profile. So let it be like this. Go for finish, and here you can go for shaft option. Go for shaft, select your sketch, and it is asking for an axis. Here you can give a right click and can select the axis, or else you can select the axis directly here also. Then give it as OK. Now you can see your shaft feature has been created. Shaft feature is nothing but a revolved surface will be created like this. So if you want a 360-degree revolve, you will be giving here. If you want a half revolution, you will be specifying as 180 over here. Under angle, specify as 180, then you can get a half revolution like this. So whatever the section you have drawn, that section will be revolved to a half section, that is 180 degrees. If you want a complete revolution, then you will be giving it as 360 degrees. Then next we have groove option. Groove option is used to remove the material from a revolved feature. Here we have created a shaft feature with the help of shaft. So in order to remove the material in a circular fashion, we will be going for groove option. Let us see how to use this. So I will be going for sketch. Here I will be drawing a simple profile. Say I will be taking a groove like this. Go for finish. Now here I will be selecting my groove and I'll select my sketch. This is my sketch, and select my axis. Say center axis. Like this, the material will be removed. Give it as OK. Now you can see your material has been removed in a circular fashion. So this is why you'll be using groove option. If you use the shaft option, your material will be added. If you use the groove option, your material will be removed. So this is about shaft and groove options. So in the upcoming videos, let us see some more part design tools. So this is all for now. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.